aircraft is the Stearman biplane. Like I said, during the war it was flown in Canada somewhat. Most of it was the United States. We used Fleet Funds and Tiger Moths. The Americans used these airplanes, and I guess the Stearman was a nice airplane to fly, but with that narrow landing gear, it was a bit of a chore to get off the ground. And that's how they weeded out pilots who weren't very good. Pilots who couldn't fly good. They get off the ground, well, they get graduated. Duncan's an old builder. He's been at it for a lot of years. Boy, I'll tell you, he's done a beautiful job on the Stearman. After the air show, you come up and have a look at it. It's just an absolute work of art. The original airplane had a 225 horse Lycoming or Kenner engine in it. This model, I don't even know what the horsepower is. I know it's 13 cubic inches, but I don't know what the horsepower is. It harkens back to the 1930s. The design was an aircraft that was designed from biplanes in the 20s and 30s. Two wings, line wires, basically metal tubing with concrete stitched over it. Oh, we're getting pretty brave flying it upside down. There's a big old air show loop for that thing. This is a big 10-foot airplane. It's not small. There's the skull turn. And the whistle from the wires. Get speed up on those flying wires, and they all whistle and howl and make all kinds of racket. And so a 30% airplane is one, like most of us, 1/4 scale is big, but 30%, that is a big airplane. Duncan tells me that his pilot at the moment is running the shoes. That's why he's over the seat. Back in and around now on the right-hand side. He'll be bringing it in over the trees. Here's where he begins the white knuckle flying. You can understand an airplane that's not even resistant. Airplane is new as this, it's not honestly 10 months. So it's a lot of, this is a lot of feel stuff. There's things you gotta keep doing until you feel right or feel comfortable doing it. Once again, the big Stearman on final approach. He's over the fence. And now, down in Camelot, Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, flying at 30%. Stearman biplane, beautiful.